Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. These signs signal about blood clots in the vessels. Do not blink. This is how the body warns you that a clot formed in the blood. Do not ignore these signs. 1. One of the extremities swells or swells. 2. Red stripes appeared along the skin. 3. Suddenly appeared shortness of breath. 4. Diarrhea, vomiting and other symptoms of poisoning or intestinal flu. 5. It's hard for you to breathe. 6. Wild headaches that do not go away even after taking painkillers. 7. Cough of unknown progress. You do not have a cold, you are not sick, do not smoke. But nevertheless you cough and suffocate. Dizziness and permanent fatigue are still possible. Be more attentive to your health. A must share information with loved ones. Let them, too, be on the alert. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.